Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix EA app not opening problem. Let's fix it guys. The first solution is to run EA app in compatibility mode. To do this, you just need to right click on the EA app and select properties. Select compatibility tab. You just need to check mark run this program as an administrator and check mark run this program in a compatibility mode for Windows 7. Click on the drop down and select Windows 7. Select apply and OK for save changes. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to clear EA apps cache files guys. To do this, you just need to click on this system tray icon, right click on the EA app and select exit. And after doing this, right click on the start icon and select run. In run window, you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again, click on OK. Now in here, you just need to find EA desktop and electronic arts. Select both of it and right click on it and delete it guys. We have cleared the EA apps cache files. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.